I'm going to go over how to create the homepage. So by default, when you install the theme, you'll get your homepage set as the blog. And I have a couple blog posts set up already, but that's just because I've gone over that video already. But let's go ahead and create our homepage. So the first thing we're going to do is create a page and call it homepage. And let's publish this page. And the only thing you have to do this page is go under template, or let's go and just leave it as is for now. And then under settings and reading, under front page displays, it's probably marked as your latest post, so you want to change it to a static page. And under front page, that's your home page, you'll display homepage. So it's really easy right there. So we'll click the save. So settings, reading, static page, homepage. So now when we view our home, we'll get homepage. So let's go and edit our page now. That's our homepage, and get it looking nice and pretty. So the first things first, let's go and change that to homepage. And let's update that so it's under page attributes template. There's a homepage one. And let's refresh it. And now we get a full width page template, nothing else. And we'll touch on the slider later. That's in a different set of videos, but let's go over the content. So you can just type content in here in this box area if you want. It's up to you. It'll show up like so. And if you don't want any content there, just delete it, update it, and that little box will disappear. But if you want, shop products, posts, etc., that's all done with widgets. So let's go under appearance and widgets and just start adding some widgets. So there's this homepage widgets area, and there's 3 types of widgets that are meant for this, and they're all labeled progression home. So there's blog posts, portfolio posts, and products. And I'm going to start with products since that's what's in the live preview. So you have your title of your widget, the number of posts, the column of posts, and then the category it's pulled from. So let me go look under my products real quick and see what product categories we have. So we have dresses, and if we look under dresses, the slug is dresses. So it's really easy. For men's t-shirts, it's men's dash shirts. So let's do dresses. So under widgets, we'll go under here, and it says product category slug. We just looked that up. It says dresses, and we'll save that and we'll refresh it. And now we have a featured products, dresses. And the reason why that shirt came up actually is because if you look under our products categories, the shirts is inside dresses. It's a parent category. Let me remove that. It's a little confusing probably on this video. There. So now we have our dresses pulled in. And if we wanted to change it to men's shirts, the slug for that is men's dash shirts. Let's go and just show you how to do that. Product category of men's shirt. And then our men's shirt shows up. And obviously if you had more products, they would all show up. And you can adjust how many products you have or the columns. So let's do 2 for instance. And you can see how the 2 would show up right there side by side. Nice and easy. So let's go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and change that back to 4. Let's go ahead and show you how to do portfolio posts. And the same options show up right there. And so if I go to my portfolio, I have a couple categories set up. I have portfolio. So under portfolio, let's go under that widget, and it's called portfolio, the category. Let's refresh it. And then we have our portfolio post being pulled in. And then the blog shows up exactly the same way, except for this one's actually a little easier, and you can actually just select the categories like so. So then we have our blogs. So it's very easy to set everything up for your homepage, and that's how to get it all done. And then to remove widgets, you can just drag them off.